Hello everybody, I am Dr. Manzoor Ahmed Bhatt from Rawalpindi, Pakistan. I am a general medical practitioner and I am making certain videos on YouTube for the guidance of people who do not know much about medicine. So today's video is about ORS, oral rehydration salt or oral rehydration solution. So I am going to tell you whether the diabetics can use it or not. In this video you can see the composition of oral rehydration salt. It contains glucose and everybody knows glucose is prohibited for diabetics. In our Southeast Asia, diarrhea is very common and it may lead to death due to dehydration. So the first step we do is to rehydrate our children, adult patients and whosoever is suffering from dehydration. Among the patients, many have diabetes mellitus. So the most asked question to me from my patients and from the YouTube and elsewhere is, can the diabetics use ORS because it contains glucose? The answer is yes, they can use in a limited way. It is of utmost importance to give oral rehydration to the patient suffering from dehydration. And glucose acts as a transport vehicle for transporting sodium chloride and potassium. So we have to give ORS because besides the fact that it has glucose, but the glucose here is vital and it saves life. So this should be clear once and forever that diabetics can take ORS under certain circumstances when there is dehydration, and they should take it, and there is no bar on that. Although they cannot use glucose as frequently, but here it saves life, so limited amounts of ORS can be given to them. Hope this will clarify the doubt in your mind, and we will meet again in a new video. And I have started these Q&As, question and answer, the common questions asked from patients to the general practitioner or family physicians. So this was the first question I have answered.